Here now with Paul Hewitt. He is the Vice President of Distribution for Lincoln Electric. Start with 2024. Anything new that you want to shine a light on, Paul?
Yeah, thanks, Tim. A lot of new things coming out in 2024, but what I tell you is a lot of consistency. Really been putting a distribution first focus at Lincoln, so expect some more programs, things more geographic based, things that make sense for distributors in their market, really trying to drive some of the profitability on the hard goods with distribution this year.
Awesome. And I remember in 2017, I visited Lincoln when you guys opened up that new training facility. Give us an update on that. How's it been going?
Yeah, thanks. You know, it's interesting as we go around the country, it's kind of back to basics on a lot of things. Folks are looking for updates and just how do I weld, what's the right process, what's the machine. And so you're seeing not only industry, but us partnering up more with distributors to really drive some of that technology, as well as really just using the equipment and the total package to deliver that solution to the customer.
Awesome. And as you're talking to these distributors out there, what are you seeing out there in the market and what are they telling you?
Yeah, it's a really good question. You know, one of the things we've noticed, spend a lot more time doing voice of customer, listen to our distributors as well as the end user, is a lot of it is kind of, again, back to basics. Who's coming in and riding around in trucks together, making the traditional sales calls, really showing that value add and that cost reduction. You know, the prices of products are high. Inflation has really brought those up. And folks are still willing to spend and invest in their business when there's value to be had. And so our focus for this year moving forward with that and the trends we're seeing is really going back to showing up at the end user with the distributor, making those calls together, showing that value and driving those solutions.
Awesome. Well, there you go. Quick update here from Lincoln Electric. Thank you, Paul, for everything that you guys do for us. You guys are always really good to us here at GAWDA Media and for GAWDA. You guys always show up in droves, so we appreciate that. And great to see you guys.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks, Sam. Really appreciate it.
All right.